Whereas the posts in WordPress has categories and tags to create taxonomies or organizing or sorting, pages are ordered in a basic parent-child system. Any page can be the parent of any other page, and children of pages can have children of their own. This makes it easy to create logical relationships between different pages. The parent-child relationship is also reflected in the URL of the pages. So far, we've created one page, found under Pages and All Pages, called About Us. Now I want to create an additional page that's going to live as a child of this About page. It's going to be about being able to volunteer for the gallery. So I'll start by creating a new page, and then I'll simply call it Volunteer. And then I'll go to my Word document and pick up the text I need. So I'll copy that, paste as plain text, clean it up a bit, insert it, do some more cleaning. And I'll even change this heading here to an age 2. And now I've created the content I want for this page. However, I want this page not to be a page that stands on its own, but to be a child of the About page, so that it appears as related to the About page. To do that, I'm going to go over here to Page Attributes on the right and use the Parent dropdown to select the About Us page. What happens now is I've told WordPress that this current page, the Volunteer page, is a child of the About Us page. And when I click Publish and go past the spell checker, you'll see something interesting happen. Notice how this URL changed? Before it said samokanews.wordpress.com/volunteer, but now, because this is a child of the About Us page, it says About Us first before it says Volunteer. If I go and view this page, you'll also notice something else. Although we added a new page, that page did not appear on the main menu. Well, actually, it did appear on the main menu, but because it's a child of the About Us page, it only appears if you go to the About Us item. Then it appears as a sub-item under About Us. To further see that this is a child page, we can go back into our page editor. So we'll go back to the dashboard and go to Pages and All Pages. And here you see that because the Volunteer page is a child of the About Us page, it appears with a little dash next to it directly under About Us. So you can clearly see the parent-child relationship right here. If you want to change the parent-child relationship at any time, you can either do it inside the full page editor, or you can go to Quick Edit for the page. And here you find Parent right here in the Quick Editor. And you can drop it down and say Main Page, update it. The dash disappears, so it's no longer a child. And if we reload the page, you'll see that now Volunteer appears as its own menu item. But I want this to be a child page, so I'll go back again, Quick Edit, Parent, About Us, Update. Now the dash doesn't always kick in, so you may have to reload this page to see it. But now the Volunteer page is back to being a child, and on the page itself, the dropdown kicks in again. So as you can see, creating logical structures for your pages using parent-child relationships can make it easier for your visitors to navigate your content, and it's also very easy to do for you. And just like with everything else in WordPress, you can always change it later if you don't like it.